So this is the internal view of the skull. The first thing we're going to look at is the anterior cranial fossa, which is the little bump ridge right here. It's like an upside down pool. You can't really see it. Next is the frontal bone. It's just like this area up here. And then the ethmoid. Yeah, the ethmoid is this little area. It surrounds the cristagalli, which is this little plate. And then the cribriform plate.
That plate there. The plate where the cristagalli sits on.
The cribriform plate is the ethmoid bone, but only visual, or only able to see through the inferior or interior view. And then the optic canal. It's these two canals, and they cross over.
They crisscross over the pituitary gland, or the
tristica. This is the tristica.
Yeah.
Looks like you can't really see. But anyways, the lesser wing of the sphenoid is this whole area right here, and then the middle cranial fossa.
Middle cranial fossa. Wait, fossa?
It's this area right here, and then the greater wing of the sphenoid is this area up here, and then the temporal bone.
There's
right here, like the side.
Okay, I can see that. Yeah.
And then what's next?
The foramen rotundum.
Foramen rotundum is a false hole above the foramen ovale. So it's this hole right here. That's not really a hole though, because it looks like a hole, but there's just pen marks inside. And then posterior cranial fossa, which is down here, and it's just this little pool area right here. And then parietal bone. We don't need to do those. Foramen magnum is the biggest hole right here. And then hypoglossal foramen, we can't get to that because we're not sure. The jugular foramen is
right there.
This hole right here.
On that side.
Point to it again so I could.
Right here.
Yeah. And then on the other side.
And right there.
Right there. And then the internal auditory meatus.
That one's the one that comes out.
That one right here. That one right there.
And this one, right above the jugular foramen.
Okay, and that's the lateral view, or
internal view.
Internal view. Can't read it. Of the cell.